Here's a super easy way to make a lot of money with ChatGPT. What I'm about to show you is absolutely genius because it is super easy. All you need is a laptop or a phone and it takes less than 1 hour. First, go to ava.ai. This artificial intelligence allows you to create your own music. After you signed up for free, you can then see all these different music tracks. And this is where the genius part comes. Because what you're going to do is choose a track that you like and then click on create. Now choose 5 compositions and click on create tracks. And in my case, the AI created 5 completely new but different music tracks that are perfect for background music for YouTube videos. And now this is also what you're gonna make the money with. Because now you go to Envato Elements, sign up as an author, upload all of the tracks the AI just created for you. Now every time a content creator like me goes to Envato to get background music for his YouTube video and he picks your track, you will get the money.